commercial, shops and flats. Basement is there, underground area. There are also shops. Bحریہ انکلیو اسلام آباد. Invest in Bحریہ انکلیو, invest in Islam Abad, best investment. If you want to contact me, you can contact my telephone number, so I'll guide you. If you come here, meet me, I'll guide you here. I'll help you out in purchasing and selling. I'll guide you to start a business here. At least I'll make you meet three people to purchase your house, your plot, your shop, and you will make choice yourself. My job is to coordinate, to let you meet with the people here, the best ones. This is my duty. I'll do it for you. So come to Bحریہ, come to Islam Abad. This is Enklave. Just see. This building is going to be completed. It's now just structure is complete. Best time to invest, because in future it will be very, very costly place. Invest in Bحریہ, invest in Pakistan. Safe, secure, clean, neat, for your future, for your children, for your family. Nice place to live in. Nice place for commercial activities in future. You can open your office here. You can you can get an apartment on rent, a house on rent. You can purchase a plot, a house, a land. You build your own house according to your choice. So come to Bحریہ, invest in Pakistan, invest in Bحریہ Enclave.